is up, guys? Crazy Rick here, and tomorrow's my PC build. But before that, I wanted to go over all of the components that I'm going to be using in the PC build. So we're going to start off on my right, which is right here. This is my right. Um, and yeah, we're just going to name all the parts. So there's the motherboard. It's an ASRock Super Alloyed, stable and reliable H170M Pro 4 motherboard. Now this is a micro ATX motherboard, so it's smaller than your usual motherboard. And under it is, yes, you're seeing right, the new graphics card that NVIDIA just came out with. Well, at this time, if you're watching this video when I just uploaded it. Hopefully I upload it as soon as possible. But yeah, around the time of I'd say late July, early August. Seems about legit. But yeah, that's the new graphics card. Let's just get to it. It's NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1060. I'll put the link to all these items in the description so you can check them out and check out their specs and everything like that. Right there, that thing right there, you see my finger, that's just a flash drive, so you don't gotta worry about that. It's just for Windows. If I have any problems with my old hard drive, that's another thing, I'm using my old hard drive. It's in the case now, so that's why you don't see a new hard drive anywhere. So yeah, just in case. So that's flash drive. Right there, that is two 8 GB, and all it's 16, but it's two 8 GB RAM sticks. It's DDR4, it's G-Skilled Ripjaw 5. And behind it is my case. It's a Fantex Eclipse P400 series case. Right next to it, right there when I'm pointing, that's the anti-static band, so I won't damage any of the components while I'm doing a PC build. Next to that, you can't really see it, but it's the splitter, so I could use two of the case fans in one slot. So you'll see that in the PC build. Above it is my processor. It's a Core i5 6500 processor, Intel. Under it is the water cooling. It's a Corsair Hydro Series H55 liquid cooling system. It's for Intel and AMD, but I'm going to be using it for Intel because that's my processor. It's an Intel processor. Under it is the power supply. It's an EVGA 600 watt bronze power supply. So that's good. And that's basically all the components that you're going to see in the PC build. And the hard drives inside the case. So that's it. I'll put the PC build video if I do upload it. If everything turns out good, I'll upload it. And I'll put it with this video. So there will all be one video. So right after you're seeing this, you're going to see the PC build. So hopefully you enjoy. And stay tuned. Alright, so I'm going to install the components in the motherboard. Except for the graphics card and the water cooler. So, yeah, let's get this one up. What did I do? Alright.
So right about now, that's when we're going to do the time lapse?
No, we're doing a time lapse after we install this. After we install this in the RAM. Yeah, open this. Right way. Could you guys see that? Yeah, you can see that. Stick my fingers in there. And I gotta match it with the triangle on the board, which I believe you said is right there, right?
Yes. Right here where you see the arrow right here. So the yellow arrow is right up there. And that's the arrow right there.
Okay, so the CPU is in. Wait, let me make sure. Yeah, it's in now. And now I'm going to close it. Okay, it's installed. Now we have to install the RAM, which my brother's going to do now. The hand that you use to touch the RAM. Well, I guess you can install it without that. Just put that on this in case. You can install it without that. I remember you gotta put one in the first one, then skip one.
Alright, so this open?
Yeah, it's open.
You got it?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah.
We got
Let me
that.
move this out your way. So you can just sit it right there.
Back it up plastic a little bit.
Yeah, I hope I could.
Yeah.
I'll take this one out. So you come on to
So the first stick around
There's a lot of this.
right here.
In the first one. No, the first slot. Yeah, over
Because it
there.
says it right there. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Wait, you gotta pull the things out first. Both of them out. There you go. Are they both out? I'll hold it.
I don't know why this one is not trying to come out.
Let me see. Okay, so it's just one, yeah. Alright, so you put it in. Push it down and put pressure on both sides. There you go.
Now the next one.
Next one. And now you skip a slot. Hopefully you can see what he's doing. Can't really see what he's doing, but you'll see after he's done.
Isn't it? Yeah. Is it? Yeah, isn't it right?
Let me make sure. Let me see. Oh, you put it in. You put it in a different way.
Yeah.
Yeah, put it in the same way as that one. There you go. There you go. Sit.
Yeah, no.
Alright, so we got the RAM and the CPU. Now we're gonna put it in the case. But for that, I'm gonna put it in time lapse. Well, hyper time lapse. We had trouble installing the water cooling. It turns out that it's not compatible, I guess, with my CPU. So we're just gonna put in the stock heatsink fan in there now. So that's what you're gonna see now. So guys, we hooked it up and everything, and Windows, it looks like Windows is booting up. So I guess it works. All the components in there are going. We got the fan in the back going, the fan in the front going. If you could see it, you can't really see it in the case. I'll open the case up later and show you guys. Then we got the heat sink on the CPU going. So yeah, and later on I'm gonna install water cooling, which I'll also record. So you'll have to wait up for that. But it's working. It looks like Windows is booting up now. I think it's done. So all of my data should still be there with my files, and it should be working fine. I'll keep you guys posted. Yeah, you see these moves, huh? You see these? Look at this. Look at this pole dancing here. Look at these moves. Look, I'm slipping and sliding. You wanna see some moves? You wanna see me? Yeah. Doubt me now. Look at the back of my dome and doubt me now. Yeah, that's what I thought. Don't you ever doubt my captainship. I don't know. Whoa, Octojazz got moves, huh? What are they dancing to? The sea? Are they dancing to the waves? No! No! Come on! You got a family! You got a family! You got a family! No! No! Come on, do it for your kids that look nothing like you. Do it for the people watching. Do it for the viewers. Come on! Oh my God, where am I? This is like another world or something. Yes! Keep going! Don't stop! I'm just gonna keep going and assume that he's gonna catch up to me.